Today, we're diving into the GHI Smart Coffee Maker, a gadget that's brewing excitement in the tech world. With its programmable features and smartphone integration, it allows users to customize the brewing process from anywhere. Compared to traditional coffee makers, it offers a sleek design, energy efficiency, and even maintenance alerts. However, we also found some drawbacks, like its high price point and a steeper learning curve. Ultimately, the GHI Smart Coffee Maker not only promises a better cup of coffee, but also redefines convenience in your morning routine. Is it worth the splurge? Let's explore.